Hello everyone, let's check out the exercise of chapter number 7, The Magical Hat. Oral question, read the lesson aloud. First, why did Kabir want Uncle Som to be with his parents for some time? Answer of first number, because he wanted to watch his favorite TV program. Okay, again I repeat the answer, because he wanted to watch his favorite TV program. Dear students, whichever I have underlined, that is answer. Okay. Second number, do you think Uncle Som went to bed early because he was tired from the journey? Why do you think so? Answer of second number, no. I don't think Uncle Som went to bed early because he was tired. Now MCQs. First, choose the correct words and fill in the blanks. First, Kabir's mother invited Uncle Som every winter to stay with them. So answer is mother and winter. Second number, Kabir smiled politely and showed Uncle Som where the cupboard was. So answer is smiled. C number, Uncle Som had a pink suitcase with him. So answer is pink and suitcase. Second number, what made Kabir's mouth water? Answer is C, candy flows. Written, read and answer. First, why did Kabir's mother scolded him? Answer of first, Kabir's mother scolded him because she felt that he was being rude to Uncle Som. Second number, why was Kabir annoyed? Answer of second, Kabir was annoyed because Uncle Som had to share the room with him. Third number, describe the following. A, Uncle Som's suit. Answer of third number, A, Uncle Som's suit was blue with yellow frills. B number, Uncle Som's dressing gown. Answer of B number, Uncle Som's dressing gown was purple with orange strips. Fourth number, how did Kabir reach Paris? Which building did he see there? Fourth number, Kabir reached Paris with the help of the magical power of the hat. He saw the Eiffel Tower there. Fifth number, what did Kabir eat in Paris? How did he find it? Answer of fifth number, Kabir ate candy floss in Paris. When he was looking around in Paris, he saw a man selling candy floss. Now word quiz. Choose the correct option. Kabir was standing on the top of the Eiffel Tower. So answer is C, on. Okay. Now think and answer. First, why did Kabir's mother say don't be selfish? First number's answer, Kabir's mother said so because Kabir did not want Uncle Som to come to his house. His mother scolded him by saying don't be selfish, as Uncle Som had no one to look after him in winter. Second number, which sentence tells you that Kabir was a polite boy? Answer of second, Kabir smiled politely and showed Uncle Som where the cupboard was and how the lamp worked. This sentence tells us that Kabir was a polite boy. Third number, which dress Do you think Kabir found funnier uncle's suit or his dressing gown? Third number answer, I think Kabir found both dresses equally funny. Fourth number, why did Kabir think, what a strange man? Answer of fourth number, Kabir thought Uncle Som was a strange man when he told that his hat was a magical hat and it could do things that he wanted to do. Fifth number, how should we behave when guests arrive at our home? Should we be rude to them or welcome them? Fifth number, answer, we should behave politely and welcome our guests. We should be never rude to them. Now reference to context. But he wears unfashionable and strange clothes. A number, who said these words and whom? A number answer, Kabir said these words to his mother. B number, who does he refer to? Answer of B number, he refers to Uncle Som. Dear students, here Som, okay, S-O-M, Uncle Som. Here Uncle Som, instead of A, it's O. Uncle Som. C number, was the speaker happy or annoyed? C number, answer, Kabir was very annoyed. D number, what happens next? Answer of D number, Kabir's mother scolded him for being so rude. Dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. Please write it down one time in your notebook. Okay, thank you.